So now we're on to our fifth
Yes.
fifth antique store. Yes,
After an auction.
Yes, after an auction. Mason has a lot. We didn't know about the ones downtown. We've never came to the ones downtown, so we only have an hour and a half. So I don't know if we'll make it to all three of them that are downtown Mason or not, but we'll give it a good try. Vintage venue. Okie dokie. Off the bat, you find an ironstone pitcher. 50 on that. Some newer Christmas. Cute little bunny. Christmas over there. He's cute with his little hat. Hold on, we have to see how much he is. Because he is cute. He's 14. Oh, that's cool. 20 on that piece with the... Those are easy enough to replace. Oh, hi. He's not quite a bendy elf, but I do have to check him out. Smashed Santa face. Santa on a tube. That's funny. I'll go around and look. He is a scary elf. We'll go ahead and leave him behind. That's fun. That's a fun little, check it out. No rooms right yet. So you're just gonna have to look around each room. So like that's another little room. And then you go into this other little room. Yeah, somebody painted one of the chairs as a pumpkin. That's funny.
Well, they mounted a crow on it.
Oh, I gave it a pumpkin head and a crow. That's funny. Oh, that's a turkey platter. Oh, is that rusty, crusty, or wood?
It's metal.
Metal. What are these little froggies over here? He's a heavy metal frog. He is sadly not priced. Story of my life. Nice and warm in here with the sun. Very warm. Hello, Big Ben. He is 30. Cool. Well, that is a collection of the little pixies. Wow. Look at all those little pixies in there. I don't know if I've ever seen so many pixies. Priced accordingly, that's for sure, over there. Yeah, they're all retail prices, which they should be, but you know. Wow, look at the little ginger girl though. She is 24. Swung bases here, 60 on this one, and 38 on the amber, but doesn't have that wow factor on either of the mouths, so I'll pass those up. Cute little turkey, salt and peppers, 14. That's retail. Beautiful glass. They have, it's hot in here right now because the window and it's the sun, but definitely makes that shine. Trying to see if anything's catching my eye. This looks like a jadeite piece, a shell. 25. There's some custard. I know, look at all the glass in here.
Well, no, just
It's hot because of the, yeah, that's why I just said in the video. I'm like, it's hot in here. Not seeing anything that I mean, I love this compote dish, 48, but that's retail. Beautiful to look at. Oh wow, look at that piece. 48. Oh, how much is the black one behind it though? 18. Is it wood or resin?
it's resin.
Resin. 18 doesn't seem so bad. How many swans can I pick up though, right? Oh, here's a glass bulb, red. $8 on that. Maple Street Antiques and Collectible. Oh, they're dying to stay here and look. Work them to the bones.
You ever seen these? They put drinks out for the dogs here.
Aww, some people walking their dogs. That's awesome. Okay. We got some door Christmas trees. So I like that little bunny back there in this case for 20. In front of these cute little green pixies. She's an October angel with a mask. A couple more little, oh, those little ginger pixies are worth some money apparently, huh? I did not know that. Oh. Sugar, flour, pepper, and salt. We do not have either of those. Where's Chris and his glowy thing? Oh, do they glow?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, 125 on that fairy lamp. Little deer. The little deer plate. I'm looking for the cup. $8. Vintage looking at deer plate. Oh my gosh, he is so stinking cute. Some pink sets, 300 and 365. Yeah, that's the going price of the pink sets. The basement, looking for stuff to buy. Set it for Christmas dinner though. Oh, there you go. What do we see? I've actually sold this one. It was but $18.99. That's more than what I sold it for, but it's pretty cool. Gotta stop picking up mushrooms. It's funny how you have a trend. Hello, Christmas cupboard. I have to check out the Christmas cupboard. Oh, I'm thinking nuts are, you guys. 148, 128, 128. Xmas is 68.
Noel.
Yeah, I'm not getting these for any of you. 68 and them. I sold that salt and pepper shaker. 28. Angel with the. Oh my goodness. Yep, I just sold him. But yeah, those are none of the prices I can pick up for y'all. Birds of Happiness. 18 and the smaller one. 18. Oh, they're both 18. Okay. That's a cute little shiny house. Oh. That actually is hilarious. That's hilarious for 15. I'm sorry. That's amazing for 15. Grandma cord going on for $30. And Santa and Mrs. Claus are all crocheted up. That's hilarious. Santa. It is, oh, only $12. And it stands up on its own. That's pretty cool. Tinsel. $8 on antique. And it's antiqued. That's a pretty color. Did they paint the trees or did they come that color? That jadeite piece. The jadeite egg cup. I had the big egg. I've never seen it. Jadeite egg cup. No, I'm gonna go. How much is the bowls? 18 on the bowls. Gonna even out the weight on that. That's just a piece of wood on top of there. These littles that somebody made. Oh, they took some wrapping paper maybe, or card. It's a magnet. Oh, those are very sweet. Good use. One of these over here. A little believe. This is an empty, huge, shiny, bright box. So it's $20 for that empty shiny bright box. Let's see, anything else catches my eye? No. How much is the toast holder? 25 on the toast holder. Does that really only say $8? $8? Why? Okay, yeah, so 8. Okay, I don't even remember where I was. Hello, Mexican Padre Owl. You are big. You're big. Oh, look at the back. 28. That's about retail. This little bunny, 39. Oh, it's a bobblehead, older one. I just love little cubbies. I have to look at all the littles. Look at the little dog trophy. 87 Windsor Show, first place. He's cute. How much is he? 15. This is a nice set. 38.50. I think they're all 38.50, so they're all priced separately. Tulip bowl for 25. Got a lot of dishwasher wear though. Case of emergency and you need ice cream. Break glass. That's funny. Couple nice pieces. One that bottom. Is it cement? Or paper mache?
So,
Paper mache maybe? Farm barn. It's old. And then this pie safe. It's up in the air. $3.50. Leave it as is. It's pretty cool. Oh, how much is that little cubby up there? $42.50.
Well, look at this cubby behind you.
Oh. That one probably is their display piece, I would think. Well, that was a fun store. 2 stories, lots to look at. We were like winding down the end of the day, so they were getting ready to close. So you kind of felt like you had to rush. And then my phone died, and I had a video with Chris in the middle of purchasing. Yes, this amber compote dish was $8. Why? She thought it was cracked, but I'm like, no, that's just the tape. That was all it was the tape. So I don't know why. I think it's beautiful. So there's that. We'll see how it goes in our booth. And he was just too cute to pass up, and I know you all would love him. He's a little white sheep trying to be a black sheep, I think. And then actually I have picked up only one other time this mechanism, and it was on a putz type goat that was type like a style. So I thought, oh my gosh, this is nice high end. This is heavy metal. This is made well, and it is just as cute as a button. And if you wanted to, the greenery, if you didn't want to keep the greenery on, you could wire, though it's just wired on. You could unwrap that and have it out for all year. You don't have to keep that greenery on it. And then I saw this little snowman, though he has some age to it. It's the first time I've seen him with his pipe. And he was minimal with his pipe. I know there's a version of him with a broom also, and you don't see the broom very. So they were like a candy container. But yeah, so I'm going to see if I can clean them up a little bit more. Be very careful of that pipe. But yeah, that was a great find with it being a pipe. Maybe the person didn't realize that usually the pipe and the broom are like broken off. And I don't know if this person tried to sell this last year and it was already on clearance. So I thought somebody would love this. I love that it has a stand. It's a beautiful, well-made piece. So perfect for me right now in my booth as I'm trying to fill it with Christmas. And then the last thing that Chris and I got were for ourselves. It was some glowy shakers and the flour and sugar. We had not had the set. When you play for the glowy jadeite, you pay up, and so when you find them, and then you're happy as lark when you find them because you never know when you're going to come across them again. So I was happy to get that, though I'm not really sure how many more pieces my poor cupboard could handle, but there's that. I can always change it out with a bigger cupboard if I keep picking them up. So thanks for going into the antique store with Chris and I. We sure do appreciate each and every one of you for taking the time to watch our videos, commenting, sharing, just supporting us, showing us some love. So again, thank you so much for watching today's video. And as always, you're part of our YouTube family. Thank you so much. And if you're new and you're checking out the channel for the first time and you liked what you saw, please hit that subscription button along with the notification bell so you know you uploaded a new video. And we will see you next time, guys. And you can see what we're up to. Bye.